My name is Tanay Kini. I am a CSC undergraduate at KLEIT Institute of Technology. Today, my topic is student performance predictor using machine learning. So let me show you the code. This is the first section. This is for pre-processing the data. The problem statement says the project understands how the student performs test scores affected by other variables such as gender, ethnicity, parental level of education, lunch, and test preparation course. First, we import the necessary libraries for data visualization. Then we are reading CSV, the data CSV, which shows list of data for performance of various students and their ethnicity, parental level of education, etc. These are the first 5 records in this shape of data set, 1000 into 8. We check for missing values. There are none, and there are no duplicate values either. Data types: gender, race, ethnicity, parental level of education, lunch, and test preparation course are objects, and the remaining are integers: math score, reading score, and writing score. These are number of unique values for each column, and these are statistics for the various scores: math score, reading score, and writing score. The count there are 1000 such scores, 1000 entries. Mean, standard deviation, minimum. We explore the data. These are the first 5 entries. We have 3 numerical scores. Now let's visualize the data. These are the histogram and KDE. This is the average score for males and females. Here on the right hand side we can see the score for males and for females, and this is the average of the two. So from that we can conclude that female students tend to perform well than male students in general. That's a general trend. And this is for lunch. The standard lunch and free reduced lunch, and the average of them all. These are lines. Blue is for standard lunch, and the coral one is for free or reduced. Insights: standard lunch students in general who take the standard lunch perform well in exams, regardless of the gender, whether they are male or female. That is one of the conclusions. And next we check parental level of education, like the highest level of education that at least one of the parents have obtained, whether it is some high school, associate's degree, master's degree, some college, or bachelor's degree. These are the legends according to the colors. As we can see from the graph, in general, parents' education doesn't help student perform well in exam. But in that, although that's a general trend, if one of the parents has an associate's degree or master's degree, then the male child tends to perform well in exam. That is one of the pattern recognized by machine learning. And in third plot, we can see that parents' level of education has no effect on female students. And next we check race and ethnicity. We have taken 4 races: A, B, C, and D. Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D, and Group E. For sake of argument, we want to be discussing Group A only in the first 4. Students of Group A and Group B tend to perform poorly in exam. Maybe it's due to their socio-economic background or their surroundings, but that is a general trend. Yes, regardless of whether they are male or female, Group A and Group B students tend to perform rather poorly compared to the other races. And these are the maximum scores of all students in all the 3 subjects. The red one is for math scores, and then the green one is for reading, and the blue is for writing. It is on nearly a bell curve. Most students score in between 60 to 80 maths, whereas in reading and writing, most of them score between 50 and 80. Higher than that and lower than that, and then such people are fewer in number. Now, multivariate analysis using PyPlot. we are checking just how many of them are present. Gender, race, ethnicity, lunch, test scores, parental education. These are distribution. There are 51% of these entries are female and 48% are male. And ethnicity, group A and group B, group A and group B are rather fewer in number. Most of them are in group C, nearly a third of them. Lunch, almost all of them have standard lunch, but a third of them have the free lunch. Test scores, most of them haven't completed the test scores, but a third of them have. Now let us visualize them according to the specific features. Let us check the gender. How's distribution of gender? This is the univariate analysis. That is how gender is distributed. There are nearly equal number of females and males, but the females are slightly greater in number. Now let us check bivariate analysis. That is how does gender impact students' performance, whether there is an impact. So we can see the average score here. The females have scored 69.5 and males have scored 65.8. So if you were to plot this is the total average, where blue is male and the hot pink is female. Total average in math marks. Total average is for reading, writing and math, and this one is only for math. Race and ethnicity. First, univariate analysis. That is how are the races distributed. As you can see, most of them are belonging to group C, and there are rather few of them who are belonging to group A. Bivariate analysis. Does race and ethnicity have any impact on students' performance? Let us check that. As you can see, group B students who are belonging to group E perform better in maths and reading as well as race ethnicity, whereas students belonging to group A and B perform poorly compared to the others, albeit in like less so, but somewhat. Next, parental level of education. Univariate analysis, like what level of education do students and parents generally have in this data set. Rather few of them have master's degree. Most of them have completed some college. Bivariate analysis. Does parental education have any impact on students' performance? Here, the green one represents total score, the yellow is for writing, red is for reading, and blue is for maths, and the grey one is average score. As you can see, there isn't much difference, but those whose parents have a master or bachelor level of education have greater score than the others in general. Then lunch. Most students, first let us check univariate analysis. What type of lunch do most students take? Whether the free one or standard and reduced, standard or the free one. Okay, so as you can see, 2/3 of them have standard lunch, whereas a third of them have free or reduced. Students being served standard lunch was more than free lunch in number. Bivariate analysis. Does lunch type has any impact on students' performance? Lunch type intake. Let us check that. As you can see, those who have taken standard lunch generally perform better than those who have taken the free one, regardless of the gender and most other factors. It is a common trend that is solely related to the standard and free lunch. Test preparation. Whether test preparation has any impact on students' performance. Bivariate analysis. Whether let us check that. Yeah, blue is for none and red is for completed. Now we are combining these two, lunch and test preparation. So in general, those who have completed test course and have standard lunch perform better than most of the combinations of these two. So we check the outliers, reading score, math writing score and average. There are very few outliers. Multivariate analysis using pair plot. So these are for male and female in the scores, writing, reading, math, average and total. Males tend to perform slightly better here, and there is very little variation. So the insights are from the above plot. It's clear that all scores increase linearly with each other. And conclusion: the students' performance related with lunch raise parental level of education. Females leading pass percentage and also are top scorers. Students' performance not much related with test preparation course. Finishing preparation course is beneficial. And this is model training. Imported all the necessary libraries. These are for data visualization and this is for data modeling. We are using linear regression. Now let us check how this looks in real time. Okay, so here are the inputs: gender, race, ethnicity, parental level of education, lunch, test preparation course, math score, reading score, and writing score. Gender, let us go with male. Group, I'll choose arbitrarily C. Parental level of education, we associate immediately. Lunch, standard, free, reduced. Let's go with free and reduced. Test preparation score, preparation course completed. Math score, let's say 60. Reading score, say 70. Writing score maybe 85. Let's predict. So the predicted score is 78.23. Okay, let us change lunch type to standard. 82. So in general, if they take standard lunch, their score is slightly better, tends to be better. And we have also seen that in group A and group B perform worse than the others. Let us check group A. And with free and reduced. Okay, and let's check female. Slightly lower. So my model analyzes the patterns associated with these features and predicts the score. Thank you.